Snapchat is a popular social media app that lets users to share their photos and messages that disappear after a short time. It's a simple yet extremely clever idea that has become a multi-billion-dollar idea. Launched in 2011 by the three college friends, Snapchat was valued at over $1 billion within 2 years. By 2017, its IPO valued the company at $24 billion, and in 2021, its market cap peaked at $130 billion. However, the following years were not much impressive. But in 2022, Snapchat announced plans to lay off more than 1,200 employees, about 20% of its workforce, as a part of restructuring effect. Some high-ranking executives left, and in early 2023, Snapchat reported its first-ever quarterly decline in sales, followed by another decline the next quarter. Despite these struggles, Snapchat remains relevant within around 400 million daily users, higher than the ever before. In this video, I will explore the rise and potential fall of Snapchat, starting with its founders, mainly Evan Spiegel, who has led the company as a CEO and become one of the world's youngest billionaire at the age of 25. Though his net worth has dropped since 2021, the origin of Snapchat is a bit messy, with disputes over who contributed what. Evan Spiegel and Bobby Murphy worked with Roger Brown to develop the idea, initially naming it Peekaboo before rebranding as a Snapchat. A lawsuit from Roger Brown led to 150 million settlements. A key to Snapchat's success has been its disappearing photos and messages, following more authentic and less pressured communication. This appealed to younger users to use as a fun to communicate privately. Snapchat has also thrived on innovation, introducing lenses, filters, and stories that disappear after 24 hours. Features that have become the staples for the social media. They have also ventured outside the app within products like glasses and even a selfie drone. Another reason for their success is simplicity, especially in using the camera. Snapchat designed the app to be user-friendly, centering around the camera with easy-to-use features. Despite their success, Snapchat was slow to monetize, focusing on growing its user base first. Their initial attempts to sell all creative tools failed, leading to a shift towards sponsored tools and ads, building their advertising revenue to $4 billion annually. So more is needed. Snapchat faces challenges monetizing their platform, especially since it's primarily used for private messaging rather than promoting creators. Apple's in 2021 privacy changes and economic factors like inflation have further complicated their advertising revenue. Competing with the large platforms like Instagram, which has mimicked many of the Snapchat features, has also been tough. Snapchat has posted losses every year since its inception. They have introduced revenue sharing and subscription services like a Snapchat Plus, but it's a small part of their business. If they don't figure out how to generate more revenue, there is a risk of losing investors' confidence and users' loyalty. So let me know in the comments about your thoughts on Snapchat. And do you prefer it over the Instagram and other social media apps? And where do you see the Snapchat in future ahead? Will they figure out a way to turn a profit, or will they continue to struggle?